How can a chainsaw cut through a 15 centimeters diameter log in 1 second without injuring the operator? Hundreds of moving parts work together. A lightweight piston drives a sturdy crankshaft, providing energy to 3 chains. Let it run at a speed of about 113 kilometers per hour. The sharp 33-degree outer chain teeth can cut through the toughest hardwoods. But the key to the chainsaw's power is not the blade. It's the flat metal piece in the middle of the chain, called the guide plate. The guide plate must be sturdy enough to support the fast-moving chain, and it also needs to be light enough to save effort for the operator. Right now, these 10 chainsaws are set to debut at another level, leaving you in awe with their sheer power. The Stihl EMS 661 chainsaw, a powerful and versatile machine with a fuel tank capacity of 0.825 liters, allows you to work continuously for hours without interruptions. Equipped with a 7.2 kW engine and a flexible and loaded speed ranging from 2,800 to 13,500 revolutions per minute, it quickly cuts through the most challenging wood. Using the rapid super chain type and a maximum cutting diameter of up to 63 centimeters enables it to handle various large diameter wood types. The EMS 271 Farm Boss is a powerful upgrade, replacing the EMS 270, featuring many modern features and technologies. Equipped with a high-performance engine, it provides over 20% longer run time between refueling and reduces emissions by half compared to the EMS 270. The highly efficient pre-separation air filtration system is a notable feature. With a total weight of only 12.3 kilograms, this chainsaw facilitates flexible and easy handling for operators. The Makita 353Z is manufactured in China and operates using high-quality batteries. Powered by a brushless motor and 2 lithium-ion 18 volts batteries, the chainsaw ensures long-lasting usage. It is convenient for users with a powerful speed equivalent to a 30 milliliters engine chainsaw, a compact design, and an anti-slip soft grip. Featuring a power switch, speed adjustment, and battery level indicator, the Duck 353Z is an ideal choice for maintaining landscapes and cleaning backyard areas for landscaping enthusiasts. The most potent mass-produced chainsaw in the world. All essential functions, such as start, throttle, and stop, are operated through a single lever. The pressure relief valve and still elastostart ensure easy chainsaw starting, while the HD2 filter provides long-lasting filter life. The tool-free fuel cap offers safe and easy refueling. The Stihl EMS 462 RCM chainsaw is optimally designed with an excellent power-to-weight ratio, utilizing the next-generation Stihl M-Tronic engine management system and a wrapped handle for better control when using a long guide bar. With a weight of only 13.9 pounds, it is the lightest Stihl gasoline chainsaw in its segment, providing a gentle and agile working experience. The integrated anti-vibration system helps reduce fatigue during cutting operations, and the slim chain sprocket cover gently reduces weight while increasing exhaust efficiency.
The large capacity sprayer. with a 90 centimeters fan blade. This is definitely an excellent choice for caring for vineyards and other fruit tree gardens. Efficient coverage is a flexible and powerful product that meets the needs of spraying on different crops. There are several different models, such as 850 VM and 850 VA, which provide even mist spraying on medium-sized plants with better fan positioning. The product has many other options, such as 850 VA with a deflector tower, or 850 VM and 850 VA with a one-sided deflector to enhance penetration and coverage. It has simple and efficient controls, maintains proper pressure, and ensures spray quality. It includes a pressure gauge for easy monitoring. Next up is a machine that combines a front-mounted plow and a rear-mounted lawn care system. Large farming areas will no longer be problematic for farmers who own this amazing machine. On a sunny day in the woods, two machines diligently cleared a large area. The Komatsu 275D and Komatsu D85A are designed to handle such tough jobs. They have the power and ability to handle different situations. Large chain links are fixed for both of these machines. They are all very solid and reliable and have worked continuously for hours without problems. The drivers of the two machines are also very professional and experienced in operating them. The chain cleanly leveled the tree trunks between the two machines, leaving no trace. The TRV Rad Rinser is a type of automatic soil tiller used in agriculture for irrigation, creating paths for crops and removing weeds from cultivated areas. The machine uses rotating cutting blades around the main axis to dig up and distribute soil and remove weeds and obstacles in the soil. Equipped with a vibration mechanism, the machine can push weeds out of the soil and collect them in a storage compartment. This helps to effectively remove weeds and provide a clean space for crops to grow. The TRV Rad Rinser is designed to operate between rows of crops while keeping the soil tilled and aerated. The machine can be adjusted to work at different depths, depending on the type of soil and crop being grown. Like the TRV Rad Rinser, these machines are smaller and easier to operate. They are suitable for smaller farming areas compared to those that require the use of the TRV Rad Rinser. Tilling cornfields has become much faster and more time efficient. The Ropa Tiger 6 is the world's most powerful sugar beet harvester, equipped with a new engine with a power of 700 or 768 horsepower and a displacement of 16.12 liters. It has a new design with a very smooth hydraulic steering system for the ground, automatic tilt adjustment, and enhanced bunker emptying speed to make the moving process faster. The luxury cabin has a glass touchscreen, a WLAN interface, and multiple automatic programs for high comfort during operation. Accompanying the sugar beet harvest is the Ropa Mouse 6 machine. Hundreds of tons of radishes piled up in the fields were quickly collected by modern machinery and transferred to trucks for storage and production plants. If you find this moment wonderful, please give Far Outlook a like and a share of the video. Cableway is a complex system that prevents damage to papayas or other fruits during internal farm transportation. The cableway saves energy as it is powered by the pulling force of humans and animals when fruits are transported across the fields. The cableway system also works for bananas, flowers, African palms, and other crops. The machine is designed with a large spraying width of up to 24 meters, allowing for the efficient application of pesticides over a large area in a short period. Additionally, the machine has a high capacity, with a maximum of 4,000 liters, saving the user time and effort. Deutz TTV 9340 Agrotron is an agricultural tractor equipped with a rotating and lifting mechanism for the standard driver's cabin. The unique feature allows the cabin to rotate from 0 degrees to 200 degrees in just 1 minute. This means the driver can easily change their field of view when operating the tractor without turning the vehicle around. The main purpose of a grapevine pruning machine is to eliminate unnecessary branches and restore the shape of the grapevine. It can be used for cutting grapevine branches to create the best environment for grape development, helping the fruit reach larger sizes and better quality. The Ridging Hiller 8-row cultivator is designed for row spacing from 75 to 91.4 centimeters. It can be equipped with various options to create optimal ridges, including tines for different soil conditions. Thanks to its flexible options, this machine can be used for tilling, ridging, and cultivating the soil efficiently. These options ensure that soil tillage and cultivation are performed most effectively and are suitable for different soil types. Do you know hazelnuts? Have you ever eaten it? See how people harvest hazelnuts? The Macon MST 150 hoeing machine is designed to help remove weeds in various crops in rural areas. With good visibility and precise control, this machine can operate very efficiently. The machine has a compact size and high ground clearance with an extended frame that helps the driver have better visibility while working. The device has a Kubota diesel engine of 25 pk, which can easily adjust the speed from 0 to 15 km per hour. The standard width of the MST 150 is 150 centimeters, but it can be adjusted according to the customer's requirements. It also has a safety window, a comfortable seat, and a rear linkage for lightweight tools. This machine is an ideal choice to help improve the quality of your crops. Have you ever witnessed how this sweet potato harvester works? This machine is designed to automatically complete the entire harvesting process from digging the sweet potato tubers, to separating the roots and stems from the tubers. The machine will move different parts to separate the tubers from the roots and remove surface stains. Then, the conveyor belt will bring the potatoes to the top of the bed. The automatic sweet potato harvester saves time and manpower for farmers while minimizing errors caused by human intervention in the harvesting process. With the help of this machine, it is not difficult for the farmer to complete his harvest. Let's continue to another scary machine, one of the most high-end devices today. The Dynavat MF7485 breaker is one of the most versatile and modern cutters on the market. With its advanced design and intelligent features, this lawnmower has become the ultimate solution for lawn mowing and pasture management. All the vegetation in its path was cut off. The machine is also equipped with a damping system which helps limit vibrations, ensuring stability during operation. This is truly the pinnacle of creativity. And here is the Krone 9M, a lawn mower and stacker used in the agricultural industry. This machine is one of the most modern and advanced in the field, designed to help farmers cut and harvest grass faster and more efficiently. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. We look forward to connecting and sharing knowledge through our channel. The grass will be packed by baler and loaded onto the Wilson bale truck. The combination of these giant machines has made harvesting and storing grass so much easier. This is the joy of the farmer. He is harvesting fresh watermelon in his farm. These are really great tools that every farmer wants to have. Machines have really helped reduce human labor a lot. The machine is plowing peanuts and starting the process of harvesting peanuts. The device has a sturdy digging rod and specialized tools to harvest peanuts quickly and efficiently. With this excavator, the harvesting process becomes quick and labor-saving. Diggers have brought convenience to peanut growers, saving time and effort in harvesting. Since then, peanut production has been produced faster, helping farmers earn higher profits and contribute to the economic development of this land. Technology has made great contributions to the development of the agricultural industry. New technologies have helped increase productivity, increase efficiency, and reduce the negative impact of agriculture on the environment. Ropa Panther 2 is a modern sugar beet harvester made in Germany. The machine has many advanced features that make sugar beet harvesting easier, faster, and more efficient. This machine is equipped with automatic sugar beet digging and separating system, which makes it easier and faster to separate the beets from the soil and remove the roots. The depth of the blade can also be adjusted to ensure that all beets are harvested from the ground. Ropa Panther 2 is also equipped with an intelligent monitoring and control system, allowing the speed and pressure of the components to be adjusted to optimize the machine's performance. Machine technology also plays a vital role in improving productivity and reducing the labor force of farmers. The Ropa Euro Tiger V84 is one of today's most modern and efficient sugar beet harvesters. Thousands of tons of radishes are harvested in just a few hours with the help of these modern machines. This machine owns a 16.16-liter MAN V8 diesel engine with a maximum capacity of 768 horsepower. With this powerful engine, Eurotiger V84 can travel at a top speed of up to 40 kilometers per hour, saving time and improving harvest productivity. This machine is one of the top choices of sugar beet producers worldwide. Also, another machine of Ropa, but in a more advanced version called Ropa Keeler 2. With a MAN D 2676 LF diesel engine, with a capacity of 12.4 liters and a maximum capacity of 626 horsepower, Keeler 2 can travel with a top speed of up to 40 kilometers per hour. The machine has an advanced electronic control and monitoring system to help manage the device accurately and optimally. The Keeler 2 harvesting system is designed to quickly and efficiently separate sugar beets from the soil into the storage compartment. With two specialized harvesters, Keeler 2 can harvest sugar beets in all terrain and weather conditions. This helps to improve productivity and optimize profits for farmers. Keeler 2 is also equipped with a global positioning system, GPS, and digital map, making the management of the sugar beet harvest more accurate and efficient. Moreover, the machine is also equipped with an automatic steering system, which helps to reduce fatigue and road errors when driving. Would you like to own a tremendous giant machine like this? The presence of industrial machinery with outstanding performance is proof of the progress and strength of modern industry. With the ability to operate optimally and with high efficiency, they are not only a symbol of progress but also an attractive driving force promoting the comprehensive development of society and the economy.